a joint operation with Mizoram Police, Assam Rifles has nabbed two Myanmar nationals with 1.5 kilograms of heroin worth rupees 10.65 crore in East Mizoram's Champai district. Now, two Myanmar nationals were carrying drugs in 110 soap cases when the Assam Rifles apprehended them. Drug smuggling from Myanmar has been on the rise since military junta took over the country's administrative affairs in 2021. Now, the Assam Rifles have been carrying out different operations, waging a war against drug smuggling from Myanmar. Unrest in the bordering areas and the porous borders, of course, has made it difficult to put an end to the illicit drug trade. Nibir Deka, my colleague, joins us on the broadcast. Yet another drug smuggling attempt has been foiled by the Assam Rifles and as well as the Mizoram Police. They have apprehended some drug peddlers, two Myanmar nationals to be precise. What further details can you give our viewers with regards to this piece of information that's coming in?
Indeed, this is a very important development coming in from the northeast. Two Myanmar nationals, including a woman, have been arrested for possession of over 1.5 kg heroin worth over 10 crore rupees in Champai district, which is in the eastern side of Mizoram. And this operation was carried out jointly by the security forces combining with the Mizoram police, and the contraband was contained in soap cases. And this is a very interesting development coming in because we have seen time and again that Mizoram has been a state which has been used as a transit route, international transit route, when it comes to carrying contraband, drugs and other such substances. And the operation to stop these passage of contraband from the international border to rest of the country continues by various security forces. And Assam Rifles has been one of the pioneer agencies, has been the forefront agencies to stop these activities from happening. And yet again, today, this massive bust, which is worth more than rupees 10 crore, signifies the operations and the activities done by the security forces in Northeast to stop the flow of drugs within the country.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.